Hello everyone, how are they? It's me, Jesse Willis. I know so many of you like big baka. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to increase your baka, or which one should I use? Bum using Photoshop. So let's dive into it. So make sure your picture is placed already in your Photoshop. Then you duplicate. Then after duplicating, you select your subjects. After selecting your subject, make sure you feather. It's very necessary. Feather 2 or 1. So I'll make it a 1. Then you press Ctrl J. Ctrl J helps you to duplicate. So we've selected the subject out of the image. So we want to work on the selected subject, which is the layer 1. So then you go to your filter, look for Liquify, open Liquify. Then you manipulate. Let's make use of the first two. And you push, drag inside. You push inside. For any part you feel that you want to increase or you want to reduce, you make use of Liquify. So this will, we want to increase the baka of the subject. So increase to your satisfaction. I'm not saying you should go and make your baka look like Heaven's Gates. Increase, decrease, that's it to adjustment. See, so this other two, let's make use of. Let's make use of this other two, poster two. This one helps to also enlarge and save big. So this Liquify is very easy to use. You just play around with the tools. After you are done, you press OK. So let's see the before and the after. Okay. After, this is the before, this is the after. Before. So now and after. So you can see that there are some parts from the before, so we have to clean that up. So all we just do is that we'll click on the before, that's the second layer. Yes, and you use your clone stamp, make use of the clone stamp tool. Select and clean, increase the opacity, select and clean. So because we don't want other parts to show. So this is how to increase the baka of your picture using Photoshop. Thank you.